ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. From the beginner to the senior technician, our videos have been created with you in mind. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, we are here to help. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.